Hello everybody, it's Montgomery, and today I want to get you guys an update on this Sargent door closer. In the last video, the arm was hitting the door, but I'm not sure you can really see that very well. But it does leave a little gap. I feel it's actually pretty. It does not go up to face the door. There, I can see it doesn't go to the face of the door. It doesn't hit the door. And I've adjusted the swooping latch because I didn't know the way it's going. I thought it was going to touch slow, and that's basically it. So I sped up the sweep a little bit and the latch. So it kind of speeds up. Hang on. You know what? Let's get you an outdoor view while we're out here, and I'll try to get you a view without the latch. See? Get you a shot from that latch. We'll get you a little shot from the latch. This handle is like broke, so I can do that and make it stay, so I can get you a little view without the latch plate.